Now you're gonna see some magic here because this is a pretty narrow case. Oh right, I forgot this case is like that. So you have to either choose between here where it's sticking out over your motherboard or back here where you can't actually screw it in. So you might end up having to put this in last. What can I say? This case was like 30 bucks. Oh god. Is this the right backplane? This may be the wrong backplane. There we go. That slamming sound is a good thing. All this crunching is normal. There we go. I just realized though I probably should have put in the standoff screws first. But we're not using standoff, so it's okay.
Sing acapella.
You want to jam the screwdriver directly into the motherboard as many times as you possibly can.
Until it breaks, or just up until it?
You really just want to see some light scoring on the top of the PCB. First, you want to manhandle. Okay, also these. Oh, no, we're good. Ooh, I thought I just touched this thing on the top. All of those, they used to have a bunch of little pins on the bottom. You definitely want to rub your hand on this as much as possible. To warm it up, you want to like rub your thumb around it. But in all seriousness, where's the thermal paste? Did they seriously not give you?
No, isn't it on the thing itself, right? Yeah.
No, dude.
Yeah, it's on there.
That's.
Look at it. All that stuff.
That's not.
That's thermal paste.
You really think that's thermal paste?
Yeah.
I really don't. You really think that's thermal paste?
Yeah.
Don't film this. Let me take this cover off. Just gotta yank it. Why isn't it? Oh, that's a good remove. There we go. See, all of those are pins sticking up. A lot of people don't like to put any type of cooling on that. I agree with that. Just let that sit there. Air is good enough. That didn't sound good. Why? Why? Fucking storing it as 3 separate ones. This is your filler. It's locked in. RAM's installed. But yeah, see, I didn't know that this came off when I first did this.
How did that go?
I thought I broke my graphics card. It made this like crunching sound, and I was like, that's not a sound that should come from technology. This is another part of witchcrafting this shit in. Like 16. Yep, and then this. Yeah, this is kind of not aligned at all. Alright, there we go. What the Oh, actually.
Yeah, make sure it's...
Just doesn't have directionality. Now, the real trick is going to be getting all these, remembering what order they go in. These are connected to... Possibly those? That works. They fit.
A couple more things to put in.
We have to connect all of these, put in the hard drive, put in the disk drive, which I probably should have done first. But whatever. Oh, dude, you're going to have this just in time for the summer sale from Steam. You're going to buy so much shit.
It's not good.
I know it's not good. The Steam summer sale sucks. Oh, I just touched like all of the North Bridge. I hope that's okay. Cool. Ooh! Screwball. This has to plug in this way.
Why is it? Who says screwball? Curveball. Just saying.
Baseball's a good sport. I really watch it a lot.
It's not even a phrase. Nobody says throwing a screwball.
Seriously though, baseball's the worst. Sean, it's been 20 minutes and I haven't told you you suck yet. But that'd be really mean, so I won't. You're a good kid, I like you. Warning, don't install on multiple computers. This is only good for one thing. There it is, powering up. Oh shoot.
We have a boot screen.
It's booting.
Yeah!
There you go, man. Should I power this up now?
Who's going?
If you want.
Think it'll work?
We'll start Battlefield, huh?
Okay.
Start Battlefield Fields.